Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to our maths class. Okay, so the previous class we all learned about, yes, ones and tens. The last class we all learned about the ones and tens. Now we can revise it. Are you ready? Okay. So, one ones are, one ones, one. Two ones are, two ones are, two. Three ones are, yes, three. Four ones are, four. And five ones are, five. Six ones are, six. Seven ones are, seven. Eight ones are, eight. Nine ones are, nine ones are, nine. And 10 ones are, yes, 10 ones are 110. Okay, the last class I told you write the ones 3 times. I think you had completed it. Okay, it's very easy. There is no doubt. Okay, next we are learn about, yes, the tens. Okay, we are learn about the tens. 1 tens are 10. 2 tens are, 2 tens are, 2 tens are 20. And 3 tens are 30. 4 tens are, 4 tens are 40. And 5 tens are, 5 tens are 50. And 6 tens are, yes, 60. 7 tens are 70. Very good. And 8 tens are, 8 tens are, 8 tens are 80. And 9 tens are, 9 tens are 90. And 10 tens are, yes, very good. 10 tens are 100. What is the spelling of 100? What is the spelling? Yes, HUNDRED. Very good. 10 tens are 100. So, we are studied about the ones and tens. Have you completed the problems that relate to that topic? I gave you some work related to the ones and tens. Have you completed it? Okay, very good. Today, we are going to learn about a new topic. Do you have any guess? Do you have any guess? Yes, today we are going to learn about place value. Okay? Today we are going to learn about place value. So, our topic is place value. What is place value? What is place value? Do you have any idea about place value? Okay, I will tell what is place value. All of you listen here. Place value means each digit. Okay, each digit in a number has a value. Each digit in a number has a value based on its place. Okay, what is place value? Each digit in a number has a value based on its place. We are studied about the ones and tens. Okay, I will write a number here. All of you listen. Okay. Which number is this? It's very simple. It is, yes, 5. How many digit? Is it 5 is a 2 digit? No. 5 is a 1 digit number. Okay? 5 is a 1 digit number. Five is a 1 digit number. The first class we are studied about the 1 digit and 2 digit number. Okay. 5 is a 1 digit number. Okay. Next I will write a number. Which number is this? Yes, 10. 10 is a one-digit number? No. 10 is a two-digit number. Okay. 10 is a two-digit number. Okay. 5 is a one-digit number and 10 is a two-digit number. Is it clear? So, 5 in 5, how many ones in 5? In 5? Yes, 5 ones. Okay? 5 is 5. We can write 5 ones. 10. We can say 10 is how many ones? 10 ones or 110. Okay? 10 ones or 110. Okay? 110. Is it clear? In 5, 5 ones. In 10, 10 ones or 110. We can also represent these numbers. This place is ones place. Okay? From left, this place is ones place. And this is tens place. Okay? So, in two-digit number, there are two places, ones place and 10 places. Okay? In two-digit number, in one-digit number, only one place, that is ones. In two-digit number is ones place and two place. Ones place and 10 place. Okay? We have more examples. Okay? We have more examples. All of you listen. I will draw some blocks here. Okay? How many blocks? We can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now there are 10 blocks. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So there are group of 10 blocks. There are group of 10 blocks. We can write 3 tens. Okay. First 110, 210 and 310. Now we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This block is represented as ones. Okay? So how many ones? How many ones? Yes. 5 ones. Is it clear? First, there are group of 3 tens. Now it is 5 ones. So, 3 tens means we are studied about that. 3 tens. 3 tens are? Yes, 30. Okay. 3 tens are 30. 5 ones are? 5 ones are? 5. 3 tens are 30. 5 ones are? 5 ones are? 5. Okay, very good. 30 plus 5? 30 plus 5? Yes, it is 35. Got it? 3 tens are 30. 5 ones are 5. 35. Now, we have to write the place value. So, this is ones place and this is tens place. Okay. 5 in which place? Yes, ones. Okay. 3 in tens place. Very good. Okay. So, the number 35, 5 in ones place and 3 tens place. 3 tens are 30, 5 ones are 5. Is it clear? Is it clear? In two-digit number, 2 places are there. The ones place and tens place. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Okay, now we have more examples. All of you listen here. The number, okay, this is 1-digit or 2-digit number? This is 2-digit number. Very good. Which number is this? Yes, this is 47. 47. Okay, so 7 in which place? Okay, 7. Yes, 7 ones. 7 in ones place. Next, 4 in tens place. 4 tens. Okay. So, the number 47, 7 in ones place and 4 in tens place. We can write in 47, the number 47, 7 in the place value of, the place value of 7. The place value of 7 is, yes, 7 ones, or 7 ones is equal to, you have studied about that. 7 ones are 7. Okay, very good. The number 47, the place value of 4. 4 is 4 ones? No, 4 tens. Very good. 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Okay, 4 tens means 40. In a simple way, we can represent the place value like this. In 47, 7 ones. 7 ones or 7. Okay, 7 ones or 7. Next, 4 in tens place means 4 tens or 40. Okay. So, you should study well the ones and tens. Okay. Otherwise, we cannot, yes, complete this table. Sorry, this topic. In 47, 7 in ones place. 7 ones are 7. In 47, 4 in tens place. That is 40. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. In 2-digit number, there are, yes, ones place and tens places. Other, and in 47, 7 in ones place. It means 7 ones. 7 ones mean 7. In 4 in tens place. 4 tens means 40. Is it clear? Okay. Now we have more examples. I think you had understood the place value. Am I right? Yes, very good. Okay. Next. Can you give a 2-digit number? A lot of numbers from, yes, 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. So I will write the number. Which number is this? Which number is this? Yes, this is 50. Okay. So, in 50, which number in ones place? Which number in ones place? Yes, 0 in ones place. 0 ones. What is 0 ones? 0 ones are 0. The place value of 0 is always 0. 0 ones are 0. Okay? Okay, next. 5. The place value of 5 in 50 is 5 tens. Very good. 5 tens are 60? No, 5 tens are 50. Okay. Got the idea about the place value? Okay? Yes. So, there is an important point. The place value of 0 is always 0. The place value of 0 is always 0. Okay. Is it clear? So, the number 50 is a 2-digit number. The number 50, the place value of 0, that is 0 ones. 0 ones are 0. Very good. Next, the number 50, the place value of 5 is 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. Is it clear? Move on to the next example. Take your notebook and write the examples. Okay? Next one is, can you give a number? Yes, 63. Okay? 63. So, sorry, in 63, the place value of 3 is, 3 tens. No, yes, the place value of 3 is 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones. 3 ones means 3. Okay, 3 ones means 3. Next is tens. The place value of 6 in 63 is 6 tens. Yes, very good. I think you have studied well about the ones and tens. Okay, 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Okay? So, the number 63, the place value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. In number 63, the place value of 6 is 6 tens or 60. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Move on to the next number. 78. Okay? 78. Okay. The place value of 8. The place value of 8. Yes, 8 ones. 8 ones or 8. Okay? 8 ones are the place value of 8 in the number 78. The place value of 8 is 8 ones or 8. Next. Number 78, the place value of 7 is 7 ones? No, it's 7 tens. Okay. 7 tens or 70. Okay. Is it clear? So now we are studied about the place value. In 2-digit number, there are 2 places, that is ones and 10. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, so take your notebook. I will write another question. Okay, I will write another question. Question is, write the place value of  each digit in this number. Okay, each digit in these numbers. Okay, the question is, write the place value of each digit in this number, and the number is the first question is okay, the first question. Second one, $45. You have to find the place value of each digit, the number 45. Okay? And the third question is, okay? So, there are 3 questions, and that is, the number 60, write the place value of each digit. That means, write the place value of 0 and also 6. Have you got it? The next example is 45. In the number 45, you have to write the place value of the number 5 and the 4. Okay? The last question is 70. Write the place value of each digit in the number 70. That means, write the place value of 0 and 7. Is it clear? Okay. Now, we have more examples based on the topic, that is place value. Okay. The number 27. Okay. How many tens and how many ones in the number 27? 27 means, yes, this is tens place and this is ones place. So we can write 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, 2 tens and 7 ones. Is it clear? The number 27, 7 in ones place and 2 in tens place. So the place value is 2 tens and 7 one. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Next. Which number is this? Which number is this? Yes, 14. In 14, 1 in which place? Tens place. So, we can write 1 tens and 4 ones. Okay. Have you got it? The number 14, the 1 in tens place. That means 1 tens and 4 in ones place. That means 4 ones. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Next. Which number is this? Yes, 53. So, write the place value of each digit, the number 53. 5 in which place? 5 in tens place. Very good. So, it is 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. Okay. And 3 ones. Okay. Next. Which number is this? 80. 8 in which place? Tens place. 0 in ones place. So, we can write the place value of 8. 8 tens. Okay. And how many ones? 0 1. 0 1 means 0. Okay. 0 1. Is it clear? Okay. Today we all learn about the place value. Okay. What is place value? That means each digit in a number has a value based on its place. What are the places? The ones place, tens place. There are 100 places like that. We can study about it next class. Okay. So next class you have a homework based on the topic place value. Write the place value of each digit in this number. I will give you some numbers. Okay. First one is 49 and second one is 26 and third one is 38. Okay. It's simple. Write the place value of each digit in the number 49. Write the place value of 9 and write the place value of 4. Our next question is 26. Write the place value of each digit in the number 26 means write the place value of 6 and write the place value of 2. Okay. And the last question is write the place value of each digit in the number 38. Okay. I think is it clear? There is no doubt. I hope all are understood the topic place value. On next class you should complete all the work. Okay. And thank you. Have a nice day.